Vitamin water. Mildly thick. Let's do it, folks. Hey, I'm SimplyThick John. I love to show you how to thicken things in accordance with the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. To make something mildly thick, I start with 4 ounces of liquid and I add 1 dose from my pump or 1 mildly thick packet. Then I'm just going to mix, and while this is mixing, let's talk about why we thicken things. We thicken things and we thicken beverages for people with dysphagia so that they can enjoy the beverages they've always enjoyed. I like to think about some of the stories I've heard over the years of people who, they'd have that special uncle or that special grandparent or something, and there was something that you always enjoyed together, drinking together or whatever. And, once you get on thickened liquids, if you can't thicken the things you've always enjoyed, it can feel just kind of, I don't know, not the best. It can feel like you've had things taken away from you. And so what I like to do is to just really demonstrate that you can thicken just about anything that you used to enjoy, and that you can continue to drink that and you can continue to consume it once you've thickened it. Thickening liquids helps people with dysphagia control their liquids so that they can swallow it and safely, so it goes down into their stomach, not into their lungs. So that's why we do this. We do it so that people can enjoy the beverages they've always enjoyed. And to be honest with you folks, if I couldn't have my Diet Dr. Pepper, I'm not sure how compliant I would be with thickened beverages. So if you love your vitamin water, or you want to try it new, you can thicken it, and then to make sure it's mildly thick, I'm going to do a test method according to the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. I'm going to fill up their funnel to the 10 milliliter line. I'm going to let it drip for 10 seconds, and the amount remaining will tell us how thick it is. So there we go. We'll let this drip. And folks, you can see that is above the 4 milliliter line and below the 8 milliliter line. It's right there in that level 2 zone, so this is indeed a mildly thick liquid. Everybody wants to know, hey John, how does it taste? I think it tastes just fine. Folks, for more information on the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative, how to thicken things or to thicken those beverages that you love every day, please like and follow.